Ever stumble upon a sad, green zombie villager and wish you could help them? Well, today, we're turning those groans back into grateful greetings by brewing a splash potion of weakness. First, you'll need a brewing stand. Place it down and open the interface. Water bottles are the base for almost all potions, so fill 3 glass bottles with water and place them in the bottom slots of the brewing stand. Next, we need to make an awkward potion. Place a Nether wart in the top ingredient slot. Wait for the brewing process to complete. This will turn your water bottles into awkward potions, a necessary step. Now for the key ingredient, a fermented spider. I place the fermented spider in the top slot once again. Wait for the brewing process to finish. This transforms your awkward potions into potions of weakness. We're almost there. To make this a splash potion, we need to add gunpowder. Place the gunpowder in the top slot. This will make the potion throwable, allowing you to apply the weakness effect from a distance. Let it brew one last time. Now, you have splash potions of weakness. Find your zombie villager, throw the potion at it, and you'll see some gray swirling particles appear around it. Finally, give the weakened zombie villager a golden apple. By holding the apple and right-clicking on the villager will start to shake, and after a few minutes, it will transform back into a normal villager. Congratulations, you've saved a villager. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Minecraft tutorials.